Make sure you like and subscribe. Sit down, relax, and we'll give you the best 10 minutes you've ever wasted on the internet.
Yeah, what is up today, guys? This is KG here. Yeah, I'm about to go right now real quick. The sun is rising. It's around just 7, but almost half 6 though. Yeah, this is I haven't done this before, man. Like outside cabs, I haven't gone outside catching my bike. I thought this way I should try to do this because I am planning for a massive trip soon. I know there are a lot of poor people out there, so if me doing this gives you enough momentum to like a cause to donate, please do that, man. Like seriously, donate to charity. Don't eat my shoe before I finish going, man. Okay? These dogs, I like them though. Okay, in my bag. Right now I haven't put my shoes on. No, stop. I know you're excited to see me go. You're always excited. Just no. Okay. In my bag we have the usuals. If my bike breaks down, like I said, I haven't done this before, so gotta be prepared. Snacks, maybe if I get trapped or I don't know, under a rock or something. Water, I have like I think 2.5 worth of water. I'll show you if someone tries to screw around with me. Yeah, you know, I stab you in the neck with this. A towel, it's gonna be hot, and a couple of tools in here also to help me out to fix the bike if it breaks. So this is gonna be an experience, guys. So stop, don't eat that shoe, please. Thank you. What is up today, guys? Again, KG here. I'm right about this is a few K's from my house now. Man, I'm sitting in gaps. This is probably 1.something K from my house. Hey man, look what I found. It's a marathon right here, real quick. It's a bit noisy where I am. It's a marathon, and these guys are running like flip. Yeah, my G, the pusher, my light. It's pretty nice. You know when you pass people and you're like there on your camera, like hey, what's up? I'm talking to your camera. They're like, look at you, that boy is crazy. Maybe I am. Maybe I watch too many YouTube videos. Well, maybe I'm just not like you guys. I don't know. Either way, donate. Hey, dude! How long is left? Dude, I have my own one. I'm going to Ramos right now. Oh. Yeah, so how long is left? 3K. 3K? Yeah. So you guys are only doing 3K?
No, I'm doing 10.
10?
Yeah.
I'm thinking of going to Alta right now.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I can do it like in less because I have a bike.
Yeah, you can go and come back. They'll still be there.
What? Okay, let me try to do this, man. Like, okay, it's the first time, like, I have a lot of water. It's so heavy in my bag right now.
Yeah, you should just come to the hotel.
It's far. I think I will try to do that if I'm not dead by then, because I'm gonna do 242s. Or 10 back. Hey. Alright, good, man. These guys are from far. Like I told you, man, we saw another bunch of people, a few select people. They're running around real quick. They're around Pacho right there, and they're going for 42 under 2 hours. I believe I'm able to double that. I'm thinking about going to Alta, and Alta's like 45 kilometers away, and this is gonna be a double back, so it's gonna be around 90 kilometers in a day. Basically that's Kanye right there, 92 Ks. So I don't know, should we go to Alta? Should we not go to Alta? These guys are doing it. And what is up today, guys? Again, I just reached my checkpoint. I don't know how many minutes. Let me take out my stopwatch and check out how many. That's gonna take long. Is it gonna take long? Let me see. It's gonna be good reporting inside. Right there. Yeah, flashlight, stopwatch. It's been 33 minutes, man. Ever since I left my house. So 33 minutes. I've been stopping, talking with the people. Like you just saw me talking to Deco right there real quick. So right now, I'm about to get here at Game City, man. So yeah, that's what's happening real quick. I'm here in Ramputsoa. I think from here, I would say it's around 20 kilometers. I think, is it possible to do 20 kilometers, man? The thing is, with these roads, there are a lot of elevations, man. Whoa, like, hey, they were killing me big time. So I met up with this other guy. I asked him, is it possible 2 hours out of 2 hours all day? He was like, nah, not at the speed I was going. That guy was a bullet. Wow, the people were awesome out there, man. I don't know why these guys are not vlogging or whatever doing. Pop the money, I'm sweating. It's more or less the damn inside for I don't know, Gabs. So that's where I am right now, man. There's a ton of wind. I say there's a ton of wind out here. It's really windy. Do a massive run right here, very quick. This is quite dark because I have trucks passing by, and it's hard to talk. If you can understand what I'm saying. You know, knickknacks. If you didn't know, knickknacks grow on trees. Like just pick them out like that, and you can have yourself your knickknacks. Right? You can have yourself your knickknacks. Bike needs its own knickknacks, okay, bike? Bike! Yes. You know, you have to feed your bike knickknacks. Knickknacks is awesome! It's been 2 hours, 13 minutes.
Be sure to like and share and tell me what you think about the video. Do I need a GoPro or do I need to go pro? Next time on KCISO, we're giving you a lot. There's pain. There's sweat. There's the most difficult 45 kilometers this young man has ever tried before. There's there's cow, there's sheep, and most of all, noisy trucks and unmanaged sound. But all this is meant to entertain you. Don't forget, you should share.